Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So if you want to resubscribe for the TotalReach, maybe you have cancelled your subscription before, and when you click on TotalReach here, it takes you to this place. You click on access membership, you now see your subscription for this product has expired, and you now click on here. But unfortunately for you, you don't see this try paying again. As for me, I can see it. So if I just click on this, it will take me to a place where I can pay. But most of you, or a lot of you, you are complaining that when you come to this place, you don't see this try paying again. So what you are going to do is that just click on this halal dollars at the top here. It's going to take you to all the products you have listed on seller. So click on this halal dollar as if you want to buy, and when you come here, you can see it is 15,200. Then try to subscribe, try to check out. So when you get to this checkout, enter your name as you have entered it before, and your email address the same thing, and enter your phone number. Then here, when it says get a coupon code, you just click on here. You are now going to contact us on the support group, in our support group. So when you contact us on our support group, we are going to give you a coupon code where you are going to enter here. So when you enter the coupon code here, just click on apply. So when it applies, it's going to remove 10,000 naira for you, and it's going to be 5,200. And this is going to continue. Make sure you don't cancel your subscription. Make sure you don't cancel your subscription again. So just click on that, and you are going to pay 5,200 that you paid in the first place. So and you click on pay and you pay. And make sure you don't cancel your subscription again. So this is what you're going to do. So follow this step. When you get to this place to get a coupon code, just contact us in our support group. We are going to give you the coupon code you are going to use here. Note that the coupon code can only be used once. Since I've used this particular one right now, you cannot use it again. That's why if a coupon code is given to you and you give it to another person, then you cannot have the coupon code again. It can only be used once. May Allah make it easy for us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.